Most people don't leave your site because they hate your offer. They leave because something probably doesn't feel as clear as it should to them.
We found that most FAQs answer safe questions, but not the ones that actually stop people from buying. To fix this, we're going to use ChatGPT as our tool of choice to help surface some of those hidden objections and answer them properly. My first step is to paste in this prompt. What this prompt does is tell ChatGPT to put itself in the shoes of a real skeptical buyer, someone who's interested but still unsure. Instead of generating marketing FAQs, this is going to surface the questions that people actually think about before they decide whether to buy or not. The next step inside these brackets is to paste a short description of your product or service. This is the same kind of summary that you see on a sales page. You can either paste it directly in the brackets as I have here, or upload a document if you have one already. Now that we have those two things, our prompt and our job description pasted in our brackets, our prompt is ready to send off. So let's hit enter and see the questions that ChatGPT generates for us.
These are the kind of questions that people think about but don't always ask out loud. Things like price, trust, effort, and whether something is actually worth their time. Looking at our answers, what matters here is the tone. The answers are calm, honest, and they don't look salesy or too over-polished. This kind of FAQ shortens sales cycles, reduces objections on calls, and stops people disappearing without actually giving a reason why. It's clever, it surfaces the doubts early, it answers them honestly, and it builds trust without pressure. Thank you for watching, and apply it to your business today.